Chris?
You're mentioning the maintenance. What type of maintenance are you talking about? Are you talking about like regular, like checking kind of stuff? Or
No.
heavy lift? Okay.
All these combi boilers, when they're installed properly, they have what's called a shut-off manifold. That manifold you close off and you actually run muriatic acid through this water heater and through your domestic boiler side of it to eat away the minerals. Once you run that for 5-10 minutes, then you have to flush it for 5 or 10 minutes. So you basically have a pump sitting on the ground and a bucket of muriatic acid flushing all this stuff on out. Once it's neutralized with baking soda and stuff like that, it's pretty, and then you flush it for 10 minutes. So it's not as bad as what people think it is. I mean, it's flushed pretty good. And that thing holds 2 quarts of water. So by flushing that thing out into the buckets, if there's anything left, there's gonna always be something left, but it's so minuscule. The problem with that is that's not a $99 maintenance.
No.
Now we're looking at a $350. Some guys I hear are getting $450.